Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day today, with the news of from GILD. Seemed to literally pull up the entire markets, and the markets like what they saw, and then it's a combination with Boeing. And I think that's going to be what you see a lot of out there is you saw what happened with Boeing. Boeing announced, hey, we're actually just going to open up a plant again, and their stock booms. So, I mean, if you start to see more and more companies reopen stuff again, I think Boeing was a great leading indicator of just how that's going to affect the market like you saw today. But nonetheless, let's get some things mapped out. Today was such a monster move, but now all these previous annotations, sure, they still pertain. They're just irrelevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to cause clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So one of the first areas of support that I'm very curious about now going forward is this area right here at 285.50. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance, so you can see right here very clearly was a level of resistance, are broken, you want to see the MACD as support. So I'm very curious if the price does roll back over, and this is going to be an area that a lot of people are watching because they're going to be wondering the same thing. And when a lot of people are watching the same area, wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements. But a lot of people are going to be wondering, hey, is that level going to hold? You're also going to have shorts watching that level. And they're going to be wondering, if that level doesn't quite hold up, I mean, does that mean that the price is going down to 278? I'm not saying that, but it's not unreasonable to think that there could be a deeper pullback then if that level does not hold up, with the next level of support not being until essentially down here at 282.50. So from 285.50 to 282.50, I mean, that's a $3 window there for a potential, trade that, some people from the short side might be interested in taking. But so that's why those levels are going to be very, very important. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, I probably should have changed to the daily time frame because this is getting hard to see. But this is a good problem to have, assuming you care about your retirement accounts. When you have to go back this far into the chart's history to find stuff, this just implies that it's been quite a while since the price has been up this high. But next key area of resistance going into next week initially is going to be right there at 289. So 289, public enemy number one. And then I better add in one more just in case there's another crazy move. And then after 289, right up there around $2.90. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, definitely a great way to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.